Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Remitly account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Remitly application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which, if you wish to change your password, click on Manage at the bottom right corner. Now, from this page, go ahead and tap on Profile. Now, underneath your profile information, you will find your password. Go ahead and tap on the Edit button at the right side of your password, and you will be allowed to change your password. Just start by typing your current password within the first box, and then enter your desired new password underneath within the new password section. You can then type in your new password once again within the final box for confirmation, and finally you can click on the Save button, which will save your new password right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Remitly account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.